Chef, everybody's supposed to be here in like 15 minutes, bro.
15 minutes heard? I think we're all on fire. Everything's holding.
I think so. I think we're good. We just got to get these last things out. A little bit of garnish. We should be able to hit the table.
Yes, chef, finishing plating now.
Awesome. Kens, I need you to drop these ahi tuna cornets on the table ASAP.
Yes, chef.
Maddie, I need service on a shrimp cocktail out to the dining table.
Yes, chef.
Thank you.
Chef, I'm going to the walk-in to get some more poke. You need anything?
Yes, chef, I need some Dijon.
Perfect. Be right back.
Chef, we're out of everything. A bunch of people just walked in the door. Where the is Chef?
I don't know. I think he's stuck in the walk-in.
You're kidding me, right? Okay, let me get Jen back there. We'll get Chef. Think you can hold down the mix?
Let's do this.